This is a review of the PURA 100% certified organic lemon essential oil in the 4-ounce size. And this smells like I just squeezed a lemon with my hands. And the reason why I bought this particular bottle of essential oil was because of the fact I was looking for something that was 100% organic, and then that way I can feel a little bit more relieved. I purchase something that is 100% organic. I feel a little bit easier, utilizing this, around my pets. And this particular, the lemon scent, what I'm going to be using it for is homemade cleaners. And so I absolutely love the scent. I love the fact that it is 100% certified organic. And I also like the fact that this is like therapeutic grade. So it comes in a nice colored bottle, which is what you want, when you're dealing with oils. And it also comes with this eyedropper. And it's so neat that it comes in a little protective case, because I've never seen that before. And I admire the fact that they want to protect the little dropper. So I'm looking forward to using the 100% USDA certified organic lemon essential oil around my house with household tasks.